Hello everybody, this is a Gimp 2.10 tutorial on how to make a curtain, like a theater curtain. So first we actually have a box here already open, and what we're going to do, we're going to create a new layer, and we're going to color this, well, we're just going to color it black. Uh, so you go over to the paint bucket, paint it black, although our background is black, and then what you do, go up to filters, go down to renders, noise, and instead of difference clouds, go to solid noise. But in the past versions of Gimp, to do this, you would use difference clouds, but now in 2.10, we use the solid noise. Go up to this lock, unlock it, and set the Y down to as low as it goes, which is 0.100. Now you can play around with the X size. Right now is at 4.000, and there's not much bends here in what is going to be our curtain. So what you can do is up it, and as you can see, you get more bends in what's going to eventually be your curtain. So you can just decide uh, how many bends that you want into it, and you can also hit new seed, and it'll just do it automatically for you. So, but if you just want like a certain look, you can do it manually up here for your texture. So, and then what you can also do, go down to this thing called detail, and it'll add some narrow, as you can see, and up to 15. And we have a couple options here. That is on check, so you click this top one, or the bottom one, and as you can see, it's darker. So if you don't want it that dark, say you want it like this, once you're done, you go to OK. Now you're probably wondering, well, is in um, black and gray or whatever, black and white, whatever. To colorize it, go to colors and go all the way down to where it says colorize. And as you can see, we get this teal bluish color. And then like you can play around with the hue, saturation, lightness, or you can just go right to the color that you want. Say you want it like a red. Say you want it like a deep red. So you can like play around with this color section here. We're just going to use this button right here to darken it some, as you can see. And let's actually make that like that. And so you want it like a little darker. So as you can see, we have this dark red, but you don't have to have it dark if you don't want to. And as you can see, I'm going down different shades of colors here, and you can preview it how you want, the color that you want. So, say you want it like a light red, you can do that too. Whoops, too much. Say you want it like that. So you can like choose however you want, whatever color that you want. And once you're done, just click the OK button, and then this OK, and then we have it like this. Now to make it like a little more realistic. Like, say you want like a folding or like um, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a, like a, like a, sort of like a two-piece curtain set type of thing. So you're gonna have, say you want this for introduction to a video or something, and say you want like um, split curtains. So that's what we're doing right here. I make that a little wider and narrow, and then just once you're happy with that, just hit transform. Now we actually have one curtain over here. Now what you can do to make it look the same, hit the duplicate button right here, and it creates a double one. As you can see, is overlapping the other one. What you do, you hit this flip tool, make sure it's on horizontal, click that, and then go to the alignment tool, click on that, and hit align to the right, and boom, there is your right curtain. Anyway, I actually hope you found this interesting, and enjoy. Talk to you later.